Halloween is a time of fun, creativity, and self-expression. It is also a time when many people experiment with different aspects of their identity, such as their gender expression. For some people, crossdressing is not just a costume, but a way of exploring their true selves. Crossdressing is the act of wearing clothing and accessories that are typically associated with the opposite gender. Some people crossdress for fun, entertainment, or artistic expression. Others crossdress because they identify with a different gender than the one they were assigned at birth. Crossdressers may be cisgender, transgender, non-binary, or gender fluid. Whatever your reason for crossdressing, Halloween can be a great opportunity to do so. You can dress up as your favorite character, celebrity, or fantasy. You can experiment with different styles, colors, and fabrics. You can express your personality, creativity, and femininity or masculinity. However, crossdressing on Halloween also comes with some challenges. You may face social stigma, judgment, or misunderstanding from others. You may encounter practical difficulties such as finding a suitable costume, dealing with body issues, or staying safe. You may also experience emotional challenges such as anxiety, fear, or guilt. In this video, we will provide you with some tips and advice on how to crossdress on Halloween successfully. We will cover topics such as how to choose a costume, how to prepare yourself physically and mentally, how to have fun and stay safe in public, and how to handle common questions and reactions from others. By following these guidelines, you can make your crossdressing experience on Halloween enjoyable and rewarding. How to choose a costume. One of the most important aspects of crossdressing on Halloween is choosing a costume that suits your preferences and goals. Here are some factors to consider when deciding what to wear. What kind of look do you want to achieve? Do you want to be realistic or exaggerated? Do you want to be sexy or cute? Do you want to be funny or scary? Do you want to be recognizable or original? Think about what kind of impression you want to make and what kind of reaction you want to elicit from others. What is your budget? Depending on your budget, you may opt for buying a ready-made costume from a store or online, renting a costume from a costume shop or theater company, or making your own costume from scratch or by modifying existing clothes. Each option has its pros and cons in terms of cost, quality, availability, and customization. What is your style? Your costume should reflect your personal taste and style. You may choose a costume that matches your current wardrobe or one that contrasts it. You may choose a costume that is inspired by your favorite movie, TV show, book, game, or music genre. You may choose a costume that is based on a historical period, a cultural theme, or a fantasy world. How comfortable are you with your body? Your costume should make you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. You may choose a costume that accentuates your assets or one that conceals your flaws. You may choose a costume that fits snugly or loosely. You may choose a costume that shows more or less skin. How much effort are you willing to put in? Your costume may require more or less preparation and maintenance depending on its complexity and quality. You may need to buy or make additional accessories such as makeup, wig, shoes, jewelry, etc. You may need to practice your voice, mannerisms, and body language. You may need to carry an emergency kit with essentials like extra clothes, makeup remover, etc. How to prepare yourself. Once you have chosen your costume, you need to prepare yourself physically and mentally for crossdressing on Halloween. Here are some tips on how to do so. Practice your voice, mannerisms, and body language. If you want to pass as the opposite gender or create a convincing impression, you need to pay attention to how you speak, move, and behave. You can watch videos, listen to podcasts, or read books on how to feminize or masculinize your voice. You can observe and imitate people of the opposite gender in real life or in media. You can practice in front of a mirror, a camera, or a friend. Deal with body hair, facial hair, and chest binding or padding. Depending on your costume and your desired look, you may need to remove or add hair on your face and body. You can use methods such as shaving, waxing, plucking, bleaching, or laser hair removal. You can also use products such as fake beards, mustaches, eyebrows, or eyelashes. If you want to create the illusion of breasts or a flat chest, you can use methods such as chest binding, breast forms, bras, or padding. Pack an emergency kit with essentials. You never know what might happen when you crossdress on Halloween. You may encounter accidents, spills, tears, or malfunctions with your costume or accessories. You may need to touch up your makeup, fix your wig, or change your shoes. You may also need to have some personal items such as identification, money, phone, keys, etc. To be prepared for any situation, you should pack an emergency kit with essentials such as extra clothes, makeup remover, safety pins, tape, scissors, wipes, tissues, etc. How to have fun and stay safe. The main purpose of crossdressing on Halloween is to have fun and enjoy yourself. However, you also need to be aware of the potential risks and dangers that come with crossdressing in public. Here are some ways to have fun and stay safe on Halloween. Find or create a supportive and inclusive environment for crossdressing on Halloween. Not all places are welcoming or respectful of crossdressers. You may face discrimination, harassment, or violence from people who are ignorant, intolerant, or hateful. To avoid such situations, you should find or create a supportive and inclusive environment for crossdressing on Halloween. You can go to places that are known for being LGBTQ friendly or crossdresser friendly. You can join online or offline communities of crossdressers or allies. You can also host your own party or event with people who accept and celebrate you. Handle compliments, questions, and reactions from others gracefully. When you crossdress on Halloween, you may receive compliments, questions, and reactions from others. Some of them may be positive and genuine, while others may be negative and rude. To handle them gracefully, you should be polite and confident in yourself. You can thank people for their compliments or ignore them if they are insincere. You can answer questions if they are respectful or decline them if they are intrusive. You can laugh off jokes if they are harmless or confront them if they are offensive. Avoid or deal with potential harassment, violence, or discrimination proactively. Unfortunately, not everyone is tolerant or respectful of crossdressers. You may encounter harassment, violence, or discrimination from people who are hostile or aggressive towards you. To avoid or deal with such situations proactively, you should be alert and aware of your surroundings. You should avoid places that are known for being unsafe or unfriendly for crossdressers. You should also avoid engaging in arguments or fights with people who are hostile or aggressive towards you. Instead, you should seek help from authorities or allies if you feel threatened or harmed. Crossdressing on Halloween can be a fun and rewarding experience for anyone who wants to explore their gender expression. However, it also comes with some challenges and risks that need to be considered and addressed. In this video, we have provided you with some tips and advice on how to crossdress on Halloween successfully. We have covered topics such as how to choose a costume, how to prepare yourself physically and mentally, how to have fun and stay safe in public, and how to handle common questions and reactions from others. By following these guidelines, you can make your crossdressing experience on Halloween enjoyable and rewarding. We hope you have found this video useful and informative. We encourage you to try crossdressing on Halloween if it appeals to you, and celebrate your identity and creativity. Happy Halloween!
We hope you found the information helpful. We know that being transgender can be a difficult journey, and we want to do our part to make it a little bit easier. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It would mean the world to us. You can also support our work by joining our membership. This will help us continue to create content that is helpful and supportive for the community. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you next time.